Once the control unit has been programmed and it's been fully assembled, the first two things to verify are: make sure the EMC connector is properly connected to the laser head, and make sure the emergency stop button is unlocked, otherwise the system will not be powered. Now we are going to programming the LazerTrac 40. First, we will program a time slot, meaning the time when the alarm goes off and stops. You can program 2 time slots per day. To do this, go to the Alarm 1 activation menu, then press once to enter it. Here, turn the knob to the right to activate the alarm and press once to confirm. You will see a confirmation message. Press once more to confirm. The Alarm 2 activation menu allows you to set a second operating time slot, but today we're only going to program 1. Here you will find the End Sound Transmit menu, which will be useful later when programming the laser path. Then you have the Volume Adjustment menu. This menu is used to adjust the volume if you choose to use the speaker. To do this, press the knob to enter the menu and turn the knob to increase or decrease the volume. Then press the knob twice to save your settings. In the Sound Periodicity menu, you will set the intervals between each sound and thus also laser scan. To do this, enter the menu. For example, today I want to set 10 minutes interval. To switch from seconds to minutes in the menu, press the knob once, then turn it to increase or decrease the minutes, and press it once more to switch to hours. Then press it again to confirm your settings. Now we are going to set the time slot for Alarm 1. It's exactly the same process. Press to enter the menu. I will change the time to 8 AM. To do this, press once to switch from seconds to minutes. Then press a second time to switch from minutes to hours. Turn the knob to change the time to 8. Then press again to confirm the settings. Next, you will have the Alarm Stop Time menu. To program it for 6 PM, for example, enter the menu. Then adjust the settings in the same way as for the previous menu. Press to switch from seconds to minutes and from minutes to hours, and turn the knob to make your changes. Press again to confirm the settings. Next, you will see the sound selection menu. You must select sound files even if you don't connect the speakers and want a silent solution, because playing the sound files will activate and power the laser head. If you plug the speakers to have sounds, you will be able to choose sound repertories based on the spaces you want to scare away. There is a table in the user manual that tells you which one to choose for each spaces. Until now, we have programmed an operating time slot from 8 AM to 6 PM with 10 minutes intervals. Now we are going to activate the LazerTrac option. To do this, go to the Option Selection menu and press once. This will take you directly to the LazerTrac option menu, so press once to select the option and again to confirm your settings. The programming of the control unit is now finished. Next, we will program the laser pattern. It is important to understand that in order to power the laser head, it is necessary to trigger sound signals on the control unit. These signals activate the junction box with the emergency stop button and thus power the laser head. To do this, go to the End Sound Transmit menu. Press it once to enter in the menu and select the number of sound signals. To have enough time to program the laser pattern, we recommend select 9 sounds, which will give you about 20 to 30 minutes for programming. So press the knob to confirm your settings. Now we are going to program the laser pattern point by point. To do this, press the on button on the left side of the laser head to start it. Once it has finished its initialization phase, which takes a few seconds, move away so that you're not looking directly at the laser head and press the laser on button to activate the laser beam. On this remote control, press the on button to turn on the light beam. To program the laser pattern, use this remote control and move the laser head where you want with this joystick. Then press the one button, then preset to save this first point. Then move away the joystick to the second point. Press the two button, then preset. Finally, if you want to view your recorded pattern before removing the remote control and leaving, press the S plus round buttons. If you want to clear the path and start over, press the 1, 2, 0 buttons, then preset. Finally, place the laser head at a high position to avoid blind spots. Keep the control unit with the emergency stop button at a high level. And don't forget to plug your system into a power mains supply.